Okay, this tutorial is for my buddy Ben. First of all, when you cut this thing, they make a really cool tool to cut this, alright? And but what I suggest is leave this plastic on. Okay, don't try to strip it off there. Now, once you cut that thing though, the first thing you're going to want to do is take a pair of pliers or channel locks or something and begin to unwind this stuff. Unwind it back a good ways, because the key to this deal is looseness. Alright, so you unscrew this deal a little bit, and that makes this armor flare out. Okay, so you can kind of feel it getting bigger in your hands. Once you've gotten this a little bit bigger, the next thing you want to do is come back in here and slide this down on top of that sleeve. Okay, leave your plastic on. Now, go back in here and unwind this again before you even try it, because you're going to be frustrated if you do. Then you can begin to make attempts to spin this on here. I'm going to trim this little piece off there. Remember, keep unwinding this. And once you get it a little ways, get it kind of tight. Just work that thing. You can see it going down onto the armor. Okay. Okay, once it gets tight, you can come back in here and unwind it a little bit. There you go. There's your finished product. Okay.